Here's a few pieces of Lightning Ridge seam opal from central New South Wales. The rules in millimetres. The material has been wetted. The white that you can see there occasionally is the light reflection. Just go a bit closer. Okay, going a bit closer. Showing up there, here, some blues, some pinks there as well. This has got the parent material left on it. It's been dug out of. This is quite a large piece. Nice big red bright flash across it. It's not showing up very well. There it is there, the red on the side. It's a bit patchy. This sort of lends itself to being just shaped up the way it is. Grind a bit more off here, of course, and maybe put a hole in it, put it on a string, rather than try to cut a stone. Lends itself to that sort of treatment. There's a bit more pink up here, which when you sand this down you might get it. There's a bit of it there. Again, this has got some of the parent material attached to the back of it here. Some of the greens showing there. Pink down here again. Some purpley blues there. There's a flush of red. Last but not least, a smaller specimen. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.